Lady Eagles want to keep their solo second place lead in the standings as they see action in the main event this Sunday afternoon. They will take on the winless Lady Maroons of University of the Philippines. It's been a tough start to season 74 for UP. Let's see if they can finally steal their first win away from one of the highly favored teams in the tournament. But coming back to the game at hand, 16-11 is the UST lead against NU. Set number 3, UST is up 2-0. Byron. Here comes Banatikla. Blocked again. That's out of bounds on the over reception by Ortiz. And you fighting back dito, middle part of set number 3. Desiree Dadang getting ready to serve.
Good reception here from UST.
And good job defensively by National University. UST on the attack. Good job by Byron keeping that one alive. Free ball, UST. Oh, nice job by Dadang to keep that one alive.
Oh, right in the middle of Reyes and Morado.
Napako. Yung paani ng libero ng UST na si Morado that time. Just on the line. Ooh. That was close. Seemed like it was on the line from my end, pero according to the line judge, out of bounds. So point UST. Lucky break for the Tigresses here as they go back up by 4. Byron. Reyes blocked. Ooh. Rarely do you see Ortiz rejected. Twice denied itong UST, but on the third try, they get the point.
Now UST is pulling away. Again, this is the last chance of the Lady Bulldogs to extend this game into a 5-setter.
And si Coach Vicente knows that. He does not want this to get out of hand. He wants to talk things over.
18, UST. Kumukuha ka ng recovery ng bola, iisang kamayin mo. Ano ba yun? Meron bang palapad dyan para i-direksyon mo ng maayos? Ano laging ginagawa natin? Ang recovery ng bola, 2 kamay. Kasi pag nagtutuman defense tayo, ang ginagawa nyo puro 1 kamay. O lumalabas ngayon dyan. Matigas ang ulo eh. Okay? Receive tayo. Bigay mo ng quick. Tumakbo ka ng mabilis. Huwag mo indahin niya, huwag kang iiyak.
I think the last 2 sentences were directed towards Precious Salibat. Huwag mo iindahin yan, huwag kang iiyak. Yung sprain mo. Because obviously, she is a vital part of this team, and without a solid setter, mahihirapan ang opensa ng NU, which is already beleaguered at this point. A beautiful recognition by Kai Nepomuceno. No one was even close to that ball.
Look at that again. Excellent back set as well. Credit that to Salibad.
14-18.
Deficit is 4 for Nepomuceno and Lady Bulldogs. Oh, beautiful set, beautiful third touch for UST.
Look at that, Ortiz from the middle. Actually, what's nice is that if you look at the current lineup of UST at this point, yung naglalarong 6, you would expect that it's Ortiz and Banatikla who would deliver, but even the young ones like Hirotsuji, you have the Reyes also delivering for the team.
Also smiles from the Tigresses now as they put up a 6-point advantage. Lahat contributing to the
and
cause.
maganda dyan, if pumupuntos yung mga younger players, you see that everyone is really cheering for them. Yung kumbaga, I think, on top of just getting the point, nadadala lahat emotion ng mga tao. Natutuwa sila that, the rookies or the younger players are actually performing.
And now the reception errors are coming into the game of NU, pero they get lucky there. Caught napping yung depensa ng UST. And what a time, mabalik tayo sa binabanggit mo, what a time for these young ones to step up. Medyo nagsistruggle yung main scorer nila na si Maru Banaticla, and it's about time na itong the young kids start contributing as Byron gives another free point, something that UST doesn't need, but they will definitely willingly accept. And some second stringers mapasok ngayon sa lineup ni Coach Oji Mamon as De Leon comes in. Jessie Lane De Leon will check in for Midori Hirotsuji.
From the back.
Wow, Dusaran gets involved in the offense. Nice dig by Ingrid Reyes Banaticla.
Oh, in the middle. It's Aganon for the Lady Bulldogs.
Serving 22. It's a long way back for National U, but they've got to start somewhere if they want to stay alive in this match. Must-win set for them. And they're playing like it so far in the last two plays. De Leon. And the new insertion to the lineup contributes right away.
And this, again, ito yung mention natin kayo. This is what you want. You pull out players from the bench and they deliver. You see the rookies or the young players inside the court and they deliver.
And apparently it's straight into the back of Banaticla.
And Maru is like rubbing her back.
Yeah, medyo masakit yun, sir. Apparently it's a birthday of ito si Jessie Lane De Leon.
Oh wow, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's a nice way to celebrate your birthday.
Exactly.
She gets playing time and she also gets a point here in the last
Kung manalo pa yung UST, that's like perfect everything.
You see, Coach Oji is now really fielding in all of his newbies.
Yeah, Lantin is on the court.
And you look at the people on the bench of USC really cheering on the rookies that are coming in.
Match point for the Tigresses, 24-18. Another beautiful serve for UST. Lantin is playing setter here.
Oh, there was a touch.
Big celebration for the Tigresses here. Judging by the way they're jumping up and down, you'd think they won the championship already.
But then, it was a game well played for the Lady Tigresses. Again, paulit-ulit natin sabihin, but what's good about this team, looking at them now, you see that everyone, even the young ones, are actually contributing in the game.
25-18, it ends in favor of University of Santo Tomas Tigresses in 3 straight sets against National University. Take a look at the confirmation of the win. We'll take a break and wrap this up when we come back.